how chicken feet tastes so good. So good. To be honest, this is optional. I see some people who don't remove it. I think it's a cultural thing for me. I always saw my parents remove it, so you don't have to. But this one, you must. That's a must, and you must remove the skin if you see if it's not removing. Again, the feet of the chicken, there's a layer cover it. This is not the regular feet when you see the chicken walking outside. When you pull hot water, this thing come out. So that's doesn't mean you're eating chicken feet and it's so dirty. No, you see, that's the skin that coming out. So God created everything, to be honest with you, with a protection. We the one that don't understand the power of God. When He created food for us, He makes sure He did everything the perfect way. Food we're not supposed to eat, we're not supposed to eat it. That's it. To be honest, I don't know if I'm gonna remove all this thing because I have too many. Not this one. I mean the little one that I'm cutting with. So yeah, that's how you clean it the same way. Lemon juice, salt, vinegar, and clean it with cold water and hot water. That's the way. And make sure you remove the skin because this is dirty. And anyways, when you put the water, the hot water gonna remove them. So easy. So for them to remove that, they put fire on the skin, and after that they pull it on hot water. Okay. You can see they remove the bad part also. So you see, you have to remove them. It's not eatable.